Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can restart your TCL Smart TV. So if you want to restart your TCL Smart TV without unplugging the cord, what you can do is you can simply go to the settings on the top right corner, and then you can simply go to the device preferences. In the device preferences, you can go to about, and you can scroll down. As you can see, this is the restart sign right here. If you click on the restart, it is going to ask you that are you sure you want to restart, and then you can simply click on restart, and this is going to reboot quickly, restart your TCL Smart TV. And now you can see my TCL TV has been restarted now. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.